Hello student, today we discuss about topic is factor. Factor is related to factory just as factory is a place that makes various products. A factor is a number that makes other number as a product. The words factory and factor come from a Latin root that means make or do. The word factor is also related originally a date. The term factor is a multiple are sometimes confused with each other. For example, factors of 15 include 3 and 5. Multiples of 15 include 30, 45, 60. See more above at that factors. Then we see definition of factor. A factor of a given number is every number that divides exactly into that number. For example, write down all factors of 15, and factors of 15 are 3 and 5, and also 15 is a one factor for 15. Number 1 is a common factor for all number. Therefore, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Note, number 1 and the number itself are always factors of any number. See one more definition about factors. Factors are the number that are multiplied to get a given number. For example, 1 multiplied 12 equal to 12, 2 multiplied 6 equal to 12, 3 multiplied 4 equal to 12. The factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. One example, factors of 12. 3 and 6 are factors of 12 because 12 divided by 3 equal to 4 exactly, and 12 divided by 6 equal to 2 exactly, and the other factors of 12 are 1, 2, 4 and 12. Positive integer greater than 1 or an algebraic expression that has only two factors is termed prime. A prime number which is divisible by 1 and itself except 1 is known as a prime number. For example, 5, 7, 11 and so on. A positive integer or an algebraic expression that has more than two factors is termed composite. A number which is divisible by 1 itself and other number except 1 is known as a composite number. For example, 10, 15, 16, etc. Then we see definition of prime factor. A number, the numbers that are factors of number itself are themselves prime numbers. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. But only 2 and 3 are prime numbers, so the prime factors of 24 are 2 and 3. To find the prime factors, you divide by the prime numbers in order 2 till until you cannot divide further than 3, etc. See methods for finding factors in the next slide. First, prime factorization method. In this method, we factorize by using the only prime factors. For example, 32, and 32 is divisible by 2, we get 16, and 16 is divisible by 2, we get 8. Again we divide by 2, we get 4. Again we divide 2, we get 2, and 2 is divisible by 2, we get 1. Mean the prime factors of 32 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, and the product of these two, all two numbers, are 32. Next method, factor rainbow. In this method we use rainbow colors by using show two factors for given number. In that given slide, 6 colors. 1 and 72 shows pink color because the multiplication of these two number is 72. Then 2 and 36 shows orange color because the multiplication of 2 and 36 is 72. Similarly, 3 and 24, 4 and 18, 6 and 12, 8 and 9 shows same color, and the multiplication of all pairs are 72, means the factors of 72 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Method factor tree. In this method, we write factors like branches of tree. For example, 32. Suppose 32 is a tree. We split this number 16 and 2, and the multiplication of these two number is 32. We split again 16 branch into 2 branches, 2 and 8. Again we split branch 8 into 2 sub branches, 2 and 4. Similarly, we split branch of 4 into 2 branches, 2 and 2. We get 2 even prime number, and remaining all branches are 2, and which is even prime number. Therefore, we don't split again. Then we stop here. We get factor tree of 32. Then we see properties of factor. Number 1. Every number is a factor of itself. 2. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. 3. 1 is a factor of every number. 4. A number is the largest factor of itself. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. 5. The number of factors of a number is finite. Remember all these properties of factor. Some fun facts about factors as shown in the next slide. Read and learn.